Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Octobre Polo. So don't mind the lint my cat got over this. But it's Octobre. This is the Graham Marine Polo. Really nice quality. Again, don't mind the cat hair. Did not come with all this lint. My cat rolled around this. Here's the tag. Octobre editions. And I like how this has, like, your standard polo buttons here, but I like how the collar, there's no, like, you can't pop your collar, it's this new modern hip slim collar minus the cat lint, of course. Here are the sleeves. It's like a nice navy bluish color. I don't remember, but I'll find out the official color name and put it in the video description. Here's the back. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think of this polo in the comment section below. I do like how it is a new twist on the collar for polos. Cool. Hope you're all doing well, everyone. Take care. Happy New Year, and I will catch you in the next unboxing video. Later.